So, here we go. We've got ourselves an old throw. We have ourselves a new throw. Now, how are we going to compare them? Now, remember, I'm on the higher button, right? So I'm searching to make sure that this new throw is higher than the old throw. Now, the way we're going to do this is with an if statement. An if statement is a simple yes or no, true or false. It's not a Boolean, but it's Boolean-like logic. You have two possibilities. You either met the criteria or you did not meet the criteria. So I'm just going to type in, oops, there we go. Now I'm actually in the program. I'll type in if, and whatever it is I'm searching for, then, and here's whatever's going to happen, and then I can have end if. So if something happens, then something will happen, so on and so forth. So what exactly am I looking for inside this? Well, I'm looking for if this old number is less than this higher number, is less than the new number. I'm checking to see if the new number is higher than the old number. So, what are the name of them? Well, okay, so if dice roll is greater than old throw, something should happen, right? So if dice roll is higher than old throw, I don't know, I'll just put LBL answer dot text will equal congratulations, you were correct, or something like that. You could say congratulations, you win, whatever it is you feel like saying. And of course now, when we start this, so now it has to be higher than a 4. So if the next number is higher than a 4, down here it should say congratulations, you were correct. And it didn't yet because of the 3. So, but now if we're higher than a 3 on the next one, congratulations, you were correct. But now here we have a problem, because now it doesn't really matter what the next number is, because it already says congratulations, you were correct. So we have ourselves an if statement that will only activate when we win, but nothing happens when we lose. And that's the thing about if statements. You could have multiples of them in a row inside the same if statement, in a sense. So we could have if, and then we can go else if, and have ourselves a new criteria of whatever it is we want to have happen, and then keep going down, so on and so forth. And we could keep having more and more and more and more and more of those. Or we could simply have a simple else. So basically the else is simply for any other option other than the one that we have up here. It'll give us a different result. If we were to do else if, we would have to define another new result that we're looking for. Sometimes you might want else if. In this case, we're just going to use a simple else, because we have the answer that's correct, and therefore every other answer would be wrong. So else if, so else basically anything other than dice roll being higher than the old throw, I'll put LBL underscore answer dot text will now equal sorry, try again. There we go. You could put you lose, you could put wrong, whatever it is you feel like putting. We're just saying that now if this dice roll, which by the way is on the higher button, so if it's higher than the old number, then we were correct. We guessed right. If it was not higher, so any other option, whether it was equal or lower to, doesn't matter, any other option besides this, which is why we have the else, so for any other option, it will be sorry, try again. So now if I play this, so do I want it to be higher than 4? Let's see here, let's try it out. Oh, it was a 2. Sorry, try again. Okay, but I think it's going to be higher than a 2. I mean, only a 1 and a 2 would be wrong on this one. And yes, congratulations, you were correct. It switched for me. Now, is it going to be higher than a 3? No, it was exactly the same as a 3, so sorry, try again. It keeps changing back and forth based on if I was correct or wrong. And that's the simple logic of this game. Now, here's the thing. You notice I only did the higher button. There's still a button for lower and a button for the same. I want you guys to make those last two buttons on your own without a video. But I'll give you a clue here. You already have all the code you need to make that. You just have to change one little symbol in each one. So have fun.